So good morning to everybody. So in this lecture I will discuss some non-linear differential equation question that is based on the Bernoulli's theorem. I already discussed in previous video what is Bernoulli's theorem, how to solve non-linear differential equation in the form of Bernoulli's equation. Bernoulli's equation. Okay, Bernoulli's equation. So see, this is the question. So we need to solve it. So it is a non-linear form because see, it is dy upon dx, isn't it? This is the dy upon dx, and the coefficient of y is equal to x here, and in this so see here it is x cube and y cube. So generally we no need to take x cube, y cube, isn't it? If there is no y cube, then it is a form of linear differential equation. But there is y cube, so we need to reduce this. So how to reduce it? We will reduce it by dividing y cube from the both the sides. So it will be equal to 1 by y cube dy upon dx plus x by y square is equals to x cube. So see now, so let 1 by y square is equals to z. Okay, and what is over minus 2 equals to z. And if you differentiate this with respect to x from both the sides, then you get minus 2 y to the power minus 2 minus 1 dy dx. Okay, dz dx. We are differentiating with respect to x both the sides. Okay, differentiating with respect to x. Okay, differentiating with respect to x is equals to minus 2 y to the power minus 3 dy upon dx is equals to dz upon dx. So it will be equals to minus 2 y cube dy dx is equals to dz dx. You see now, dy y cube dx is equals to dz dx by 2, isn't it? If you cross multiply it, then you will get the same, again the same result, isn't it? So now see, this term and this term is same, isn't it? See here, it is dy upon dx y cube dx, and here also 1 by y cube dy upon dx. So it, you may write here that is 1 by y cube dy dx is equals to minus dz upon dx, isn't it? This term. So it will equals to now see. So 1 by y cube dy dx is equals to minus dz 2 dx, okay, plus see here it will be x, and 1 by y square is equals to what? 1 by y square is equal to z, isn't it? Is equal to z. So it is z equals to here it will be x cube, here it will be x cube. Now see, if you multiply with minus 2 in both the sides, then we will get dz upon dx multiplying with minus 2, okay, minus 2 x z is equals to minus 2 x cube, isn't it? So now see, is it a form of linear differential equation? Yes, it is a form of linear differential equation. See, here it is z, here the coefficient of z is equals to minus 2x, isn't it? And here it is only x, that is q is only x. There is no term of y. So it is a form of linear differential equation. So now we will solve this differential equation. See here. So for linear differential equation, we have to find the integrating factor. Then we have to find the integrating factor. So if will be equals to. So if will be equals to. Let's see. I will be equals to integration e to the power minus integration of 2x, isn't it? The coefficient of that will be there, to the 2x dx. So it will be equals to what? I will be equals to e to the power integration of x square will be x, integration x will be equals to x square by 2. So it will be equals to minus 2x square divided by 2 is equals to e to the power minus x square, isn't it? And the solution of the different linear differential equation will be equals to what? If into z, isn't it? There is z, that's why we have to multiply with if, and it is equals to integration if into q. Q is what here? Q is minus 2x cube, minus 2x cube, okay, into dx plus c. So now it will be e to the power minus x square into z equals to if is what? I is e to the e to the power minus x square into x cube dx plus, then here it will be minus. And if you take the two constant, because before the integration, because it is a constant and we may take constant before the integration, it will be to the power minus x square x cube dx plus c. Then, so now we have to find this integration. Okay, so for finding this integration we have to substitute the value of x square. Okay, so let minus x square is equals to t. Okay, it will be equals to minus 2x is equals to dt upon dx. Then it will be equals to minus 2x dx is equals to dt, and dx will be equals to dt upon minus 2x. See here, e to the power minus x square z is equals to, see here, here is e to the power minus x square will be equals to e to the power t, and x cube will be there, and dx will be equals to what? Minus dt upon 2x, and minus get plus here, so dx will be equals to dt upon 2x, and 2 also cancel from here, so get e to the power minus x square, so put in plus sign here, z is equals to integration e to the power t, and here it will be x square, and x square will be equals to minus t, isn't it? It will be minus t. So here it will be x square, x cube, and x here, x cube, x square will be there, and x square will be equals to what? Minus t, minus t dt. It will be equals to e to the power minus x square, z is equals to minus. So you need to go through the bypass property. So it will be equals to, by the Lie function, t will algebraic form comes first. That will be t integration of e to the power t dt, differentiation of t, integration of e to the power t dt. Isn't it? So this is that function. So now say t will be equals to e to the power minus x square z is equals to t e to the power t minus integration e to the power t e to the power t, and after doing another integration, see here dt by t is always 1, because differential of the function with respect to the same function will be 1, and integration of e to the power t e to the power t, and again we need to integrate here, isn't it? So it will be e to the power t. I'm just going through one, not going through a forward step. I already integrate here only. So minus x square z is equals to e to the power t, okay, minus t to the power t. So it will be equals to e to the power minus x square z equals to e to the power t 1 minus t, isn't it? So e to the power t, so we need to now substitute the value of t. So it will be equals to plus c is there. I'm just forgetting to write the plus c, the plus c. Okay. So it will be e to the power minus x square z is equals to e to the power t. E to the power t will be e to the power minus x square. 1 minus t will be equals to plus x square. Minus and minus become plus, plus c. Okay. So here e to the power x square, e to the power minus x square cancel here. So it will be equals to, so now z is equals to 1 minus x square plus c. So see, z is equals to 1 plus x square plus c. See here, e to the power t to the power minus t plus c. So we already know that we need to take the coefficient of, that is the constant, sorry, the constant c in e to the power x only, because if the two terms, if all the terms in the solution is in the exponential function, then the constant is also in exponential. It will be to the power minus x square. Okay, to the power x square. So see here, and z will be equals to what? Z will be equals to e to the y to the power minus 2. So z will be equals to 1 by y square is equals to 1 plus x square plus e to the power minus x square. This is the complete solution of this differential equation. So see, it is one of the another question of non-linear differential equation. So see how we will solve this equation. We will solve the differential equation. See, so it is dy upon dx 1 plus x tan y is equals to 1 plus x square tan y sin y, isn't it? So see, this term is of y, and in q, in this right hand side, we need only x term, isn't it? We need only x term. So divide tan y into sin y from both the sides. So see, in this, okay, no problem at all. So see, if you divide this solution, if you divide this, you get the cot y and here will be cosec y dy dx plus 1 by x, and if you divide this and you get the cosec y is equal to 1 plus x square, isn't it? I'm just dividing with tan y and sin y in the both the sides. Okay, in both the sides. So we have to take this function, that is the this function y function. So it will be equal to cosec sorry cosec y is equals to t. I'm taking t is equal. So cosec y will be equals to minus cot y cosec y dy upon dx is equals to dt upon dx. We need to differentiate this term. Okay, differentiate this term both the side with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x both the side. Okay, so we get cosec y differential cosec y is equals to what? Minus cot y cosec y. So see, cot y cosec y dy dx is equals to minus dt upon dx. So see now, see, this term and this term is equal. So we can write this term is equals to minus dt upon dx. Simple. So we equal to minus dt upon dx plus 1 upon x, and cosec y is equals to what? T by x, no problem at all. So far so good. 1 plus x square will be equal. So see here will be 1 plus x square only. So now if we multiply with minus t in both the sides, that will be equal to dt upon dx. Okay. dt upon dx minus t by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. So now see, this is the form of linear differential equation. Linear differential equation, isn't it? See carefully, that is the function will be t, and the coefficient of function t will be equal to 1 upon x square, sorry 1 upon x, and in the right hand side this q is equal to 1 by x square. There is no term of 1. So it is the form of linear differential equation. So we can now easily solve this by the integrating factor, isn't it? We need to first take the integrating factor, so I'm just taking the integrating factor. So see, if will be for this equation, it is 1 upon x, okay? It is 1 upon x. The coefficient is 1 upon x. So if will be equal to e to the power integration dx upon x, and here it is minus, okay? So it will be equals to e to the power minus log x. Isn't it? It is 1 minus x. E to the power log x will be equals to what? E to the power log x will be equals to x, but here is minus, and it will be equals to 1 upon x. Carefully, please see this carefully, because it is minus sign, okay? E to the power log x is equals to e to the power log x is equals to x. You know, all know. It is the property of logarithm and exponential. And e to the power minus log x is equals to what? 1 upon x. Here is minus sign, isn't it? It will be 1 by x. So note it carefully. So we get the if, isn't it? We get if. So see, we get the integrating factor, and now we need to we need to solve this differential equation series. So for solving the differential equation, we need to know some this step. We need to follow this step. So it will be equal to if into t is equal to integration of if into q dx plus c. So it will be equal to t upon x, because if is equal to what? If is equal to 1 upon x. So it will be if and it will be t upon x is equals to integration of 1 upon x. But if is 1 upon x, and q is equal to what? Q is equal to 1 upon x square, minus 1 upon x square. So it will be equal to minus 1 upon x square. It will be equals to, if you multiply this, it will be equals to minus it will be equals to x cube, and x cube will be equals to, if you take the denominator to numerator, there will be minus sign here. Then it is very simple integration, and after doing the integration, you have to put the value, that is t is equals to cosec y, because we take that cosec y is equals to t. So see here, if you put cosec y in t, it will be cosec y by x is equals to 1 upon 2 x square plus c, and if you multiply with x, then it will be from the in both the side, you will get 1 upon 1 by 2x plus cx. So it is a complete solution of the differential